All right, in this video, I'm going to go over a handful of quick little tips that can help you use our tool. This is kind of geared towards you nerds out there who like advanced features, and I'm going to be brief. Okay, the first one, you may have noticed, if I click on here and I push enter, it creates a new paragraph. Maybe I'm going here and I want to go to the next line, and I don't like that gap. Well, what I can do is if you push Shift Enter, it'll go to the next line without creating a new paragraph. All right, that's number one. Okay, what if I want to have all of these open by default, all of these line items? Some people just like them open. Other people, maybe you've got like a proposal that only has like 2 or 3 line items. Well, under Settings, they're under the Advanced tab. It says Scoping Table Items Start Expanded, and I can say All or First Line Item. I'll choose All. And you can see now when my prospect comes here, they're open all by default. All right, next one, showing sense. Maybe you have some line items that have, they're not just to the dollar. Let me show you here. If I go to Settings and App Options, I can display fraction digits. Okay. So you can see now if I push refresh, I've got dollars. All right, next one, remove formatting. If you are using the editor and you're having some trouble, I don't have a good example here, but just keep in mind this remove or clear formatting option. A lot of times it can kind of clean up some of the background garbage that might have been copied over when you maybe you pasted from another platform. Okay, surcharge. Did you know that you could inflate the price of your proposal by a certain percentage? This is the surcharge feature right here. And let's say that I want to, maybe you've got kind of a risky project or a high maintenance customer. Every 20-minute meeting turns into a couple hours. This feature can really give you a little bit of room. You can see it's at 7,700. And just like that, my price is at almost $10,000. It's all behind the scenes and all equally distributed. So no matter what your prospect selects, you're getting that premium rate. I like to pitch it as kind of a safety net. If you're concerned about being profitable, consider the surcharge. All right, moving along, discounts in line. So this is kind of cool. I have an example right here where you can say, I want to give a discount of 15%. And how you'd set this up is you can add a percentage adjustment. I'm going to say additional discount. You can provide any details you'd like. And then for the percentage, just put a negative number. I can also apply this to a monthly cost if I wanted to. In fact, I'll do that. So you can see I just saved $230 a month. And you can also make discounts optional. Maybe you have some terms inside of here that if they agree to that, then go ahead and check the box, and that can get them an additional discount. All right, a couple more here. You can also disable a proposal if you've ever sent out a proposal and you don't want the person to have access anymore. Under Advanced, there's a Disable Proposal Access. Okay, and then if I go back to here, you can see this is the proposal I was looking at, and it's now not accessible. If I were to open this in incognito mode, the client link, it would no longer work. It just says that it wasn't found. All right, and then the last thing, one more item on here. Actually, I might have 2. They're kind of the same. So this is kind of a, let me grab, I'll put a second modification on here, option 2. I'm going to say that's 500. Okay, so let's say you're using these modifications, the line item upsells. You might be wondering, can I change the text here? Well, absolutely. If I go to the line item and click on Advanced, I can change the heading. And so I could say Options. You can see now it says Options right here. I should also point out that you can turn it from a single or a multi-select to a single select. So now they can only choose one option between this, and you can see it's adjusting the price here. There's another one in here called single loose. I'll let you read this description to see if that one would be appropriate as well. All right, so there are some quick tips. I think we had 8 or 9 there. Some advanced features that can help you as you're creating proposals and getting them out the door.